doing well. In this section of my video, we will be going through the expression of net electric potential due to the group of point charges, which is actually a topic of class 12th NCERT chapter number 2. Now, in the previous section of my videos, as I had already explained the concept of electric potential and the concept of work done, we have derived the expression of potential due to a point charge as q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 r, which develops a relation between potential and distance, as potential is inversely proportional to the single power of distance. Now, if there is a system which contains more than one charge, that is a system if it contains different charges, how you can calculate net electric potential. Now let us go through this concept. Consider this point P. There are large number of charges, or we will consider large number of charges which is at a certain distance from point P. Let us suppose charge Q1 is at a distance R1 from P. You have another charge Q2 which is at a distance of R2. Similarly, you have another charge Q3 which is at a distance R3. You have Q4 which is at a distance R4. You have Qn which is at a distance Rn from point P. Now, there may be a finite number of charges and you may consider n number of charges. We need to calculate a combined expression due to this system of charges. Let us suppose that Q1 is a charge and P is the point at a distance R1 from Q1. Therefore, potential due to Q1, I write V1 as Q1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 R1. Now, I had written the expression of potential due to charge Q1. This expression can only be written considering that only Q1 was present. That is, while writing the expression for Q1, we will neglect the presence of other charges. Similarly, we can write the expression for Q2, Q3, Q4 and Qn, neglecting the presence of other charges. Therefore, V2 be the potential due to Q2 as Q2 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 R2. Similarly, V3 as Q3 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 R3 and Vn as Qn upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Rn. Now, since we have calculated the net individual potentials due to all the charges through this system of charge, what we need to calculate? We need to calculate the net potential through all these charges present here. We have studied a concept called as superposition principle. Therefore, by applying superposition principle, net potential V can be given as V1 plus V2 plus V3 till Vn. In this way, we had calculated the value of net potential. Now, substituting the values, V equals to V1 as Q1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 R1 plus Q2 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 R2 plus Q3 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 R3 and continuing till Rn as Qn upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Rn. Simplifying this expression, we'll simplify this expression 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 by R1 plus Q2 by R2 plus Q3 by R3 plus and continuing till Qn by Rn. Now for this particular range of values, I write 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 summation of I equal to 1 to I equal to n Qi upon Ri. So this represent the expression for potential due to the number of charges present here. Let us suppose if you need to expand this, if the system contains 4 charges, then you can write Qn by R1 plus Q2 by R2 plus Q3 by R3 plus Q4 by R4, where R1, R2, R3 and R4 represent the individual distances from that common point. Remember this concept. This P is a common point and R1, R2, R3 and R4 represent their individual distances from their particular charges. So you need to take care while calculating the net potential. Now if you suppose that R1, R2, R3 and Rn represent position vector of charges Q1, Q2, Q3 till Qn, then the similar expression for potential due to this system of charge at a particular point. I am repeating this thing. If R1, R2, R3 and Rn represent position vector of charges Q1, Q2, Q3 and Qn, then net electric potential due to all system of charges at point P can be written as V equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 summation of I equal to 1 to I equal to n Qi upon R minus Ri. This is the expression in terms of their position vectors. So you should remember this concept. This was a simple concept. As you can observe that what we have done, we have calculated the values of individual potential due to all the charges and we have applied a superposition principle. After applying superposition principle, we have just solved the expression to get a simple value, to get a defined value. I hope you have gone through this concept well. This was all about the concept of electric potential due to group of charges. I hope you have gone through this topic well. Thank you.